Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the metal key. Press the tiny release and pull the key straight out, because that unlocks the case. Once done, use a small flathead at the seam where the key emerges. Pry gently to separate halves. You do this to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Controlled leverage is why a thin tool matters. Make sure you work on a soft surface so pieces won't roll away, and keep the battery orientation in mind before you lift the cover. Once the shell is open, locate the CR 2032 coin cell and lift it out carefully, because bending contacts can break the circuit. You should see the battery's positive side. Remember that orientation, then drop the new cell in the same way so the fob reads voltage correctly. After seating the battery, inspect and gently clean contacts with a small amount of isopropyl to ensure conductivity. Then align the two halves and press until tabs snap back into place. Don't force misaligned part. You finish by reinserting the mechanical key and snapping the fob closed, making sure every tab seats and the buttons depress cleanly. Once closed, test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a few steps away. This confirms signal and contact integrity. If the fob doesn't respond, make sure the battery is oriented correctly and contacts are clean, because most failures are simple electrical issues. Otherwise, try locking then unlocking the car to wake the system, or consult a dealer for reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.